Welcome to the fifth update for the monthly dividends portfolio. If you are new here, this is my side project portfolio. If you want to see my main portfolio, check out yesterday's video. Now, the challenge of this portfolio is that every single company and fund in this portfolio pays monthly. There's only so many of those out there. So with that being said, it can be more difficult to diversify and create a relatively moderate risk portfolio. If you missed last week's update, we talked about increasing SPHG's allocation and reducing AG&C and Prospect Capital's allocation. The reason we did that is because I want the dividend growth percentage of this portfolio to be over 2%. So just doing one more week, it already went back above that with that slight change. So that's exactly where I want this to be. Maybe in a few more weeks, we'll try to get it a little bit higher, but we'll have to wait and see. With the acquisitions of this week, the projected annual income is now $17, which is about $1 a month. Obviously there's some rounding there, but about $1 a month. It's not a lot, but we got to remember this portfolio is brand new. I will be sharing this link with you guys, so if you want to check out all the holdings yourself, you can definitely do that. That link will be in the description. Now we are going to be adding Ple Hospitality REIT into this portfolio. They are a monthly dividend payer. They are not currently paying, but I do know they will be paying again in the future. So I'm going to use this time to get in at a lower price point. Obviously, they're not going to pay us right now, but we are expecting them to pay us in the future. With them being a hospitality REIT, I want to use them to also further diversify this portfolio. So I'm going to start with a 4% target, and we're going to make these changes here to make that happen. Now, every single week, I do tend to tweak this a little bit. It's a brand new portfolio. It's going to continue to get tweaked. So don't make any changes based on your own portfolio, what I'm doing here. I'm still trying to figure out how I want this to be balanced. So there you have it. When our deposit goes in next week, it'll probably put most of it into Ple Hospitality REIT and then try to balance everything out. That's the nice thing about M1 Finance, is how automated everything is. Now, since we last talked, we got paid 4 times through this portfolio. 3 of them were from the bond funds, and then we got 1 payment from AG&C, totaling in 8 cents. We've got 9 more upcoming payments for this portfolio, so as you can see, it's going to crush last month's performance and increase. Just like my main portfolio, I want to see the actual dividends paid monthly increase month after month. Obviously, this is only month 2 of the portfolio, but with this being a monthly only portfolio, it should be much easier to increase month after month. That pretty much wraps up the weekly update video on this portfolio. There's not too much to talk about here. Obviously, the market overall has been selling off, but you guys know I like to get in at those better pricing, so I'm not too worried about it. Eventually, this portfolio will be in the green, but as always, the bigger focus is the cash flow that it creates. Like I said, the link to this pie will be in the description. If you want to check out all the holdings in this portfolio, you can. With that being said, I am going to cut it there. I will see you guys in the next upload.